Today, we are going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. QUADSAW Self-Marking Box System. Simply insert the pin system into the new workbox, install the drywall as usual, and let the pin mark the location for you. No more tracing around the box. Use QUADSAW's unique pin system and install the drywall wall. As usual, pull out the pin and drill the hole. Once you finish drilling the hole, there is no filling required, no making good, and no coming back to fix a bad hole. QUADSAW you will get a uniform cut every time. HYDE Acrylic Knockdown Knife. Flexible, transparent knockdown knife with angled deli XN blade. A threaded soft grip handle can be used with or without an extension. The tempered aluminum bridge keeps the blade straight. Knockdown reduces drying time for texture. Medmode Driver. Medmode Driver is both a fidget toy and tool, keeping you satisfied for hours on end, either fiddling with it or using it to drive to the center of the earth. Medmode Driver is a hybrid of the hand braces of older precursors to electric drills and modern ratchet screwdrivers. Medmode Driver featuring autopilot tech, you can drive screws in without the need of a pilot hold. This beast can handle everything from driving in a non-piloted coach boat to drilling a perfect hole with your spade drill. Medmode Driver is nigh unstoppable. Unlike a standard screwdriver, you can get all of your weight behind the Medmode Driver. Just keep on drilling until you reach bedrock. It's more powerful than some alligators. Medmode Driver is compatible with all standard removable hex drive bits, so you can use it with 1,000s of modern fixtures, including your favorite brands from all over the world. Organizer Genie. This modular system provides a unique way of keeping tools neat and organized. Far more versatile than traditional pegboards, Organizer Genie can be configured in thousands of different ways to suit your needs. Set includes 4 blue pegboard panels, 36 universal clips, and 12 each 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 drive socket holders. Attach Organizer Genie into the wall, place in drawers, use them on the workbench, etc. The system is infinitely expandable. Mini Vortex Mixer. This high-spinning speed mini Vortex mixer's fixed speed of 5,600 RPM. This 4Es mini Vortex mixer speed is faster, producing a Vortex faster. Mix more fully in a shorter time. It can be used to mix the liquid in the biological, medical, laboratory, ink, model hobby paint, etc. Simply push the tube into the soft silicone top to start shaking, and shaking stops as soon as the tube is lifted. The low activation force allows repetitive, fatigue-free mixing operation. Easy to maintain and clean. OCTO Versatile Titanium 18-in-1 Carabiner. The OCTO design has more than 18 features built in. The unique spine design was developed to jam in even more possibilities. A special 3-in-1 Nebit holder for 5/32 inch/1/4 inch and Leatherman special bits. It's 30% slimmer than regular bit holders to keep a sleek and seamless design. The one-of-a-kind bit holder is hidden in a spine created with hardened tool steel for maximum strength. Just flip around the bit holder, you have access to a glass breaker made with ultra-hard C2 tungsten carbide to help you or others in an emergency. You can hang your keys effortlessly in the main body of the carabiner or hook them into the keyhole. Nibblers Stalex NS1. The NS1 nibbler is ideal for cutting thin wall profiles and sheet metal. The maximum capacity when working with galvanized steel is 0.7 millimeters. The NS1 shears are gear cutters and are easier and more comfortable to use in many positions than conventional metal shears. The extremely narrow head design cuts hard to reach places for straight and curved cuts. NS1 scissors have a protective cover that protects against splinters and removes chips, cut without sheet distortion and jamming. Wheel arch reforming tool. This specialist tool bolts onto the hub flange and can be used to repair wheel arch collision damage or flare arches, and increase tire clearance when a larger profile wheel or tire has been fitted to a vehicle. This fender roller works on the fender from inside the wheel well. It can increase the clearance between the tire and the fender to fit larger tires, repair the dent or damage of the fender. Bolts are connected to the hub flange with elongated holes in the adapter plate. This fender roller uses a small wheel made of nylon to roll back and forth on the wheel arch, flatten the dent parts, and the small wheel is controlled by a handle. It is equipped with an adjustable arm that has a second telescoping arm with our roller, allowing this fender roller for 180 degrees wheel swivel. The attached hitch pin allows for wide or narrow angles. This wheel arch roller can lock onto wheel mounts with elongated holes in the adapter plate to fit all popular 4 and 5 bolt hubs. Adjust from 21 inches to 25.5 inches. It fits most cars and light trucks. Fiskars QuikFit Fruit Picker. It features an optimal design with a broad opening that directs fruit to the end of the tips for easy pulling from the branch. The soft mesh collection bag allows you to see your yield as you pick and can be removed from machine washing after use. The FiberComp frame offers lightweight durability. This multi-tool head can be used with regular or telescopic shafts depending on the height of the fruit to be picked. Using this tool, your fruit will be easily picked with minimal damage and all from the safety of the ground. Air needle scaler. The 12 hardened steel needles on this needle scaler work at a speed of 4,000 BPM to remove stubborn rust, dirt, paint, and weld slag easily. The needle scaler is constructed of carbon steel and is a great tool for cleaning off parts, tools, equipment, and more. A great tool for welders, automotive specialists, do-it-yourselfers, and hobbyists. Portable core drilling machine. This portable core drills are the best for drilling smaller holes in concrete, tiles, masonry, and natural stone. It can be used for both dry and wet drilling. A modern core drill is a drill specifically designed to remove a cylinder of material, much like a hole saw. The material left inside the drill bit is referred to as the core. Core drills used for concrete and hard rock generally use industrial diamond grit as the abrasive material and maybe electrical, pneumatic, or hydraulic power. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.